your Eyewitness Weather forecast.
Good evening, meteorologist Anna Masausi here with your check-in on the weather. We had mostly sunny skies throughout the day today, and even though we have a couple of cirrus clouds outside overhead right now, we still have some sunshine filtering through. Now, for current conditions, we're sitting at 69 degrees. We have those dew points in the upper 50s, as well as winds out of the east at 6 miles per hour, so a nice light breeze there. We also had temperatures getting into the mid-70s today, so it was a gorgeous day, though unusual as well, especially to get these warmer temperatures as we head into the middle of October. Now, for a closer look at what our normal should be for this time of year, I'll send it back to our chief meteorologist, Colleen Hurley, in the studio. Colleen?
Yeah, Dan, a normal day at this point, it's 61 degrees. Today we hit 75 degrees, and that will go down in the record books. It actually tied the high temperature record for the warmest October 11th here in Utica. We'll have a run at the same tomorrow as well. And a normal day would be in the low 60s in the afternoon and starting off chilly in the low 40s. This morning we started off in the mid 50s, and we're going to have another abnormal day tomorrow. Later tonight, our lows get into the low 50s, 51 tonight in Old Forge, 53 in Utica. And tomorrow we have that heat. I say heat because it's hot for October. We get back into those 70s, even hitting 73 in Old Forge tomorrow, 77 in Utica, 74 in Cooperstown. Our record is about 76, so we may set a new high temperature record tomorrow, at least in the Mohawk Valley, and we'll see those warm temperatures continuing later this week. Now, it's very quiet in our neck of the woods today. We just have those thin cirrus clouds overhead, and while we've been enjoying this nice summer that just doesn't want to quit, it's the opposite out west. You can see there's actually snow falling today in Montana, Wyoming, parts of Idaho, down into Nevada, and it is pretty quiet for much of the rest of the lower 48. We do have this storm system right now moving into the Great Lakes, bringing some rain, and that will be headed our way in the coming days. Tomorrow, we're nice and quiet, but you'll see what's left of that storm will be coming through for us here on Wednesday, bringing a few scattered showers to the area. So a closer look at how that plays out for us tonight. We've got mainly clear skies, lots of those cirrus clouds, so we are seeing a little bit of starlight filtered through later on tonight. Tomorrow may start off on the cloudy side for the first half of the day, but watch as we roll forward to the afternoon. Beautiful sunshine there, very, very warm again tomorrow, and a nice light breeze. Late tomorrow night, we have a small chance of a few spotty showers. That's that system coming in out of the Midwest. And on Wednesday, off and on throughout the day, maybe a shower or two, most of it pretty light. Not expecting to pick up much rain, if any at all, there on Wednesday. And that'll be our one chance this week. It's very, very quiet beyond there. So tonight we're down to the low 50s, 53 in Utica, partly cloudy skies. We do have a small chance for some fog to form. And tomorrow we'll have mostly sunny skies in the afternoon. We're looking at 77 degrees, believe it or not, for October 12th, maybe setting some new high temperature records. Mild again tomorrow night, low 70s on Wednesday with that chance for a few spotty showers coming through. And we hold on to the warmth right on through the end of the week. Low 70s Thursday, mid 70s though again on Friday. And then we're going to see some big changes to the pattern. We will be back to fall weather likely by the second half of the weekend. You'll see we're close to 70 on Saturday, but only 60 on Sunday, which means much of the day in the 50s. And we are a little bit cooler next week, only 50s for highs on Monday, but that's actually where we should be this time of year. So we got about 5 more days left of this summer that just doesn't want to quit. And then next week is when October will finally arrive a few weeks late.
Awesome. Thanks, Colleen. Here's a look at what's coming up tonight on News Nation.
Tonight. Now, your Eyewitness Weather forecast.
You have got to take a look at our sunset from earlier on today. We had brilliant colors here at the end of the day. Cirrus clouds in the sky made for a beautiful light show there to end the day. Nice and mild for us, too, at sundown, as temperatures were in the 60s, and we have a crescent moon in the sky out there tonight. Now, temperatures today were certainly unusual, still continuing with this abnormally warm weather. We hit 75 degrees for a high today here on October 11th, and that actually tied the record high temperature for the warmest October 11th here in Utica. So this will go down in the record books, tied with our previous warmest temperature, and we'll be making a run at the record high temperature again tomorrow. Right now we're in the low 60s, pretty comfortable, light breeze out of the east-southeast. We have a couple of cirrus clouds in the sky, but you're also seeing the stars shining through as well. Very, very quiet in our neck of the woods and through much of the lower 48 as well. Different story though, temperature-wise out west. Can you see the snow here on the radar? radar in parts of Montana, Wyoming, Idaho, down through Nevada this evening. Some places getting their first snowfall of the season, mostly in the mountain towns and the higher elevations, but very cold temperatures out west in the 30s there tonight while we enjoy our 60s. And we have this storm system in the Midwest with some scattered showers, bringing some severe weather further south today. That will be coming through what's left of it on Wednesday and bringing a couple of showers to the area. So we'll show you how that plays out as we head into tomorrow. We'll have a nice quiet day ahead of those showers. It's going to bring out a lot of its moisture, this storm system, but when it finally gets here, we're thinking a couple of scattered showers possible here during the day on Wednesday. Now later tonight we stay pretty mild. Our lows are in the low 50s, 51 in Old Forge, 54 in Ilion later on tonight, and tomorrow just as warm as we were today, if not a couple of degrees warmer, going for 77 in Utica tomorrow, 72 even in the North Country, very warm there, 74 for Oneonta and Cooperstown. So we'll enjoy another summer-like day here in mid-October tomorrow and mild really through the end of the week. So you'll see on the futurecast tonight we've got those cirrus clouds in the sky, partly cloudy first thing tomorrow morning, but mostly sunny in the afternoon. Will be a nice dry day. Another beautiful sunset for us tomorrow night. Then late tomorrow night you'll see a couple of isolated showers possible, and during the day on Wednesday, again, that's what's left of that storm coming out of the Midwest. Just a few spotty showers for us here on Wednesday. You'll see that some of us will end up dry all day. We've got some sunshine breaking through as well, and that's our one chance, it looks like, for rain during the work week this week. So tonight we've got partly cloudy skies. We'll be down to the low 50s later on tonight. Really mild, not too cool, and we are very warm again tomorrow. 77 in Utica, mostly sunny in the afternoon. Nice light breeze out of the east, and we continue with the 70s on Wednesday. Just that chance for a couple of showers there. And low 70s Thursday, mid 70s on Friday. That's going to be our last day in the 70s, it looks like. Saturday, 60s, not bad, but we're back to reality by Sunday. Behind Saturday's rain, we'll feel cooler, much drier air filtering in. Finally, fall arriving for us a couple of weeks late, and that's going to leave highs in the 50s, it looks like, for next week. But our normal high temperature right now, about 61. So 59 on next Monday actually will be right near normal. So just a few more days of summer for us to enjoy before that finally shows up.
Awesome. Thanks, Colleen.
You're welcome.
Still to come tonight on Eyewitness News first at 10, Sports Director David Edelstein has a recap of the local games that were played tonight. Stay with us.
Your Eyewitness Weather forecast.
You have to check out this time lapse of the sunset from earlier on today. The cirrus clouds coming in just at the right time, making for some beautiful colors there at the end of the day. We were nice and mild too in the 60s as the sun went down. We made it into the mid 70s with the sunshine this afternoon, actually tying our high temperature record for our warmest October 11th here in Utica. Now, right now we're pretty mild. Temperatures have just dropped into the 50s, 59 degrees, light breeze out of the east right now. Very quiet and comfortable out there tonight. And temperatures will get down into the low to mid 50s, 51 in Old Forge tonight, 54 in Ilion, similar to what we've been seeing these past several nights. And tomorrow, the heat is on for us once again. Looking at 77 in Utica tomorrow, likely tying or topping the high temperature record for October 12th. We're at 75 in Ilion tomorrow, even 73 in Old Forge. So still unseasonably warm tomorrow, maybe our warmest October 12th there on record. And we're going to hold on to 70s, it looks like, for much of the week. Things are very quiet in our neck of the woods right now. We have those cirrus clouds overhead, and we have unsettled weather upstream. A storm system coming through the Midwest with some scattered showers. And look at out west right now, cold enough there that we have some snow through Montana, down through parts of Idaho and Wyoming happening this evening. It's kind of a tale of two seasons with much colder air out there to the west. Does look like, though, that the pattern will break and we'll have a return to some fall weather here by the end of the week. Now, you see this storm system in the Midwest. This will be bringing in some showers for us, it looks like, Wednesday. Here's tomorrow. We're nice and quiet. Wednesday, whatever's left of that storm system will have wrung out much of its moisture. But what's left will come through for us here on Wednesday. So what does that look like? Rolling this forward tonight, we've got partly cloudy skies tomorrow morning, but nice and sunny for the afternoon. Nice and dry for us. Likely a beautiful sunset again tomorrow night, and then late overnight hours tomorrow night, an isolated shower or two possible, but it'll be pretty quiet. And this is our chance for showers here. Maybe the only chance this week, it looks like, Wednesday. But notice how widely scattered that they are. And we'll have some sunshine actually breaking out in between as well. Some of us will end up dry all day and therefore all week along, but a couple of showers possibly passing through there on Wednesday. So tonight we're down to the low 50s. We've got partly cloudy skies, small chance of a little fog forming. And then tomorrow it's full sunshine in the afternoon, very warm at 77 degrees. T-shirt weather for us again tomorrow afternoon. Back to the 50s tomorrow night, low 70s Wednesday with that chance for showers. And then it's really nice and quiet through the rest of the work week. We hold on to 70s for Thursday, mid 70s. Very, very comfortable on Friday. Saturday is when things will start to change. We have some rain coming in and we'll be in the upper 60s there. But by Sunday, our high only 60. So we'll spend most of the day in the 50s and our highs stay in the 50s on a Monday. And that's about where we should be for this time of year. Normally, we would be in the lower 60s. So to see temperatures in the mid 70s, definitely record-breaking for us for this time of year. And just a few more days of that, it looks like.
Thanks, Colleen. Still to come on Eyewitness News, we continue our tribute to Hispanic Heritage Month. Don't go away.